What's a really weird thing that your body does that you're not sure anybody else's body does?
So I have always been able to crack the knuckle of this thumb over and over again. And I'm not sure why or if that's even really common. And sometimes I do it so often that it starts to feel weak. Like, this is what I mean. Can you hear that? Like, it's so in succession. Like, my other knuckles, like, I crack them like that, and then it takes them a bit to recover, and I guess for more air bubbles or whatever before I can crack them again. But not this one. This one just does what it wants.